Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies well and preparing yourself for your upcoming exam. Today, we are here to start a new topic, that is the poem Beauty by E. A. Shaw. Before moving further, let's see how to recite a poem. This is our contents. Today in this video, I will tell you basic tips to recite a poem. I will also tell you something about the poetess of the poem, and I will also tell you the meaning of some difficult words. Now, basic tips to recite a poem. How should we recite? Many of us recite poems, but we don't know the exact way to do it. Let's see what is the exact way. First is read the poem slowly. And this is the best way to ensure that the poem will be read clearly and understood by its listeners. Learning to read a poem or to recite a poem slowly will not just make the poem easier to hear, it will underscore the importance in poetry of each and every word. Listen, a poem cannot be read too slowly. Okay, and a good way for a reader to set an easy pace is to pause for a few seconds between the title and the poem's first line. First, you will read out the title of the poem. Then, after a pause, you will start the poem's first line. Next is read in a normal, relaxed tone of voice. See, the poems selected are mostly written in natural style, and we should also read that in that way only. Let the words of the poem do the work, because all the words of the poem are magical, right now they have a meaning. So just speak clearly and slowly. Number 3, obviously poems come in lines, but pausing at the end of every line will create a choppy effect and interrupt the flow of the poem's sense. Readers should pause only where there is punctuation, just as you would when reading prose, only more slowly. It's not that at the end of every line you will stop. Okay, you will only stop, you will only pause when there is punctuation mark. And the most important point, number 4, use a dictionary to look up unfamiliar words and hard to pronounce words. We should always use a dictionary to get the word meanings, to get the correct pronunciations of the words, those the words which are unfamiliar to us. If we do this, our vocabulary will increase and we will be also a good writer. Now, before going into the detailed explanation of the poem, let us know something about the poet of this particular poem, E. A. Shaw. You can see the picture. Her actual name was Louise Ebeta Chevevi, and she is a Native American writer, poet, and teacher. She was born in Isleta Pablo, which is in New Mexico, in 1926. She was actually, the date of her birth was 9 September. Okay, that means she was born on 9 September 1926 and she died at the age of 87. When she was 13 years old, her first book, the illustrated I Am a Pueblo Indian Girl, was published, which is told through both prose and poetry. And it is the first book to explain the lives and culture of the Pueblo community to the non-native world. Before this, no one wrote about them, about the Pueblo community, and the whole world was also unaware of the lives and cultures of the Pueblo community. The poetess Chevivi, she was also known as E. A. Shure. She had a long career in teaching and remains active in the Native American education system even long after her retirement. Louisabetta Chevivi, she died in Albuquerque in 27 July 2014. Now students, when we will go through the poem, we will find some difficult words. And here I am giving you few of them. While explaining the poem, if I feel necessary, if I feel the need of give more word meanings, then I will provide you then. Here 3 word meanings are there, difficult words. Corn, we all know that chief cereal crop of wheat, oats, maize, barley, etc. These are corns. Harvest, the time of the year when the crop is ready and we become ready to cut it. That is called harvesting time. Shine, sound of a deep loud breath or exhale taken in relief. Sometimes we feel relief and we take a deep breath. That is called shine. Okay students, in this video only this much. In my next video you will get the explanation of the poem Beauty by E. A. Shure. There you will get the detailed explanation. Before starting poem, you should get this. That's why these topics are given in this video. Go through this. In the next video, we will start the poem. Thank you.